This Zozen Marking Flags 500 pack gives you a generous quantity of flags in 5 highly visible colors, making it easy to organize complex marking jobs without running short. Each flag is made from durable polyvinyl chloride material that resists fading and tearing, so your markings stay clear even after long exposure to sun, wind, and rain. The flags are firmly bonded to sturdy high-carbon steel wire stakes that push smoothly into the ground and do not bend easily, allowing repeated use across multiple projects. Color variety and writable surfaces let you code different zones, hazards, or utilities at a glance, which is especially helpful on busy job sites or large properties. These flags are versatile enough for professional tasks like construction layout, utility locating, and surveying, while also working well for everyday home uses such as landscaping and garden planning. Pet owners can use the bright markers to outline invisible fence boundaries or training zones, creating a clear, consistent visual guide that helps keep animals safe.